Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day. All right, without any delay, let's jump right in and solve a really cool problem from the topic of functions. Before we start, I have to mention that this problem was created by Dr. Kazem Ejlali, who always comes up with great questions in mathematics. Okay, so the question asks us to draw the graph of the function h, given the expression for f and g. And as you can see, the expression for h is this big, huge, and weird-looking formula, and trying to graph it the way it is seems almost impossible. So the first thing we need to do is to manipulate this big, scary-looking expression uh, to see if we can simplify it into a smaller and also more manageable form. Probably the first step to simplify this expression is to get rid of the radicals. And as you can see, the index of the radicals is 3. So you might guess that using the binomial cube formula is a good idea. And just in case you've forgotten the binomial cube identity, it looks like this. Okay, now I'm going to call the first radical term A and the second radical term B. Now I'll follow the pattern of the binomial cube identity and raise both sides of the equation to the power of 3. Okay, now if you look closely, when we cube A and B individually and then add them up, this term and this term cancel each other out, okay? And the result is simply 2 times f of x. Now to calculate the product AB, we need to perform some simple but slightly long algebraic operations like this, which ultimately gives us this expression for AB. Also, we know that A plus B is actually just the h term. So our equation can be written in this form, and to solve this cubic equation, I'm going to subtract h times x cubed from both sides. This time, by using the difference of cubes formula and also doing some factorization, my equation turns into this. Well, the root of the left-hand expression is obviously 2 times x, and the quadratic expression on the right side has no real roots because its discriminant is negative. Therefore, we finally arrive at the conclusion that h of x is equal to 2 times x, and we can graph it easily. Okay, all right, I hope you enjoyed seeing and solving this problem. I plan to solve more questions like this from various topics in mathematics for you on this YouTube channel. Have a great day.